Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with GitHub Actions to deploy to VPS, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with GitHub Actions for deploying to a VPS, start by creating a new repository on GitHub. Navigate to your new repository and click on the Settings tab. Scroll down to the Secrets and Variables section. Click on Actions. Select New Repository Secret to add your server credentials. You will need to add your server's IP address as a secret. Label this secret as server_IP. Next, add your SSH username as another secret. Label this one as SSH_username. Now, it's time to add your SSH private key. Label the secret as SSH_private_key. Make sure you copy your private key from your local machine. Then, paste your private key into the secret field. Be cautious not to include any extra spaces or line breaks. After saving your secrets, open the Actions tab in your repository. Click on New Workflow to create a new GitHub Actions workflow. You can either set up a simple workflow or choose a template. For this guide, select Set up a workflow yourself. This will open an editor for your YAML file. At the top, you should define the name of your workflow. Use the keyword on to specify the trigger for the workflow. You can set it to run on push to a specific branch, like main. Next, define the job section and name your job, such as deploy. Under the job, specify the runs on parameter to your preferred environment, like Ubuntu latest. Now, add a steps section to define the actions your job will take. The first step should check out your code using the actions/checkout action. Next, add a step to set up SSH access to your VPS. Utilize the webfactory/SSH agent action to manage your SSH keys. Reference the secret you created for your private key in this action. Following that, add a command to connect to your VPS using SSH. In this command, use the stored server_IP and SSH_username. Now, include the command that deploys your application on the VPS. Ensure to handle any necessary configurations or commands your deployment requires. Finally, save and commit your changes to the workflow file. Your GitHub Actions workflow is now set up to authenticate and deploy to your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.